Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SolarEdge for EV charger energy management, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the SolarEdge login URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered email address in the username field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After entering your login credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your information. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the SolarEdge dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the menu for EV charger energy management. Click on the relevant section to access your charger settings. You can view energy usage patterns and optimize settings as needed. To log out, find the Logout option, usually located at the top right corner. Click the Logout option to ensure your session is secure. This completes the login process for managing your EV charger with SolarEdge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.